Good morning, students. I Neelam am here. Today I am going to teach you some word problems based on perimeter, area, and volume of your book, My Observations, chapter number 13. Chapter number 13, perimeter, area, and volume. Okay, some of the problems based on area and volume. So let's try question number 13 of chapter number 13, My Observation, Mass. Question number 13 is the area of a 92 meter long rectangular floor is 8,280 square meter. Find the cost of covering the floor completely covering the floor completely with 2 meter by 2 meter square tiles at rupees 40 per tile. Okay, then when you are given area of the floor and the tiles size is given, that is square, how will you get number of tiles? Number of tiles will be calculated by dividing area of the floor by area of the square tile. So the area of the rectangular floor here is 8,280 square meter. So the side of a square tile, it is 2 meter. 2 meter by 2 meter means first is length and second is breadth. Mean 2 by 2, that is square. Tile is square in shape. So that side of the square tile, it is how 2 meter. Area of the square tile, it is side multiplied by side. So area of the tile will be 2 multiplied by 2 square meter. It is 4 square meter. Okay, 4 square meter. Then you will find number of square tiles required for covering the rectangular floor. Okay, so how many square tiles are needed to cover the rectangular floor? For that, what will you do? Area of floor will be divided by area of square tile. Here area of the floor that is given to you, it is 8,280 square meter. You will write area of the floor and area of the square tile. We have done how much? It is 4 square meter. Divide by 4. You will get how many number of tiles to cover the floor? Number of tiles needed to cover the floor will be 2070 tiles. Here the question is find the cost of covering the floor completely with 2 meter by 2 meter square tile at rupees 40 per tile. We are given the cost of 1 square tile. Cost of 1 square tile, that is 1 tile is costing how much? Rupees 40. Now number of tiles required to cover the floor are 2070 tiles. Now the cost of 1 tile, it is rupees 40. So cost of 2070 tiles will be rupees 40 multiplied by 2070. You will get rupees 82,800. Okay, you will multiply yourself and get the answer. It will be rupees 82,800. Okay, so this is question number 13. I have given you homework. This question yesterday. Please get it cross-checked and complete very carefully. Then question number 14 is here. The length, breadth and height. The length, breadth and height of a tank is 30 meter. First is length, 10 meter is breadth and 15 meter is height respectively. Respectively means here length first 30 meter, breadth at second number 10 meter, height 15 meter. If the tank is completely filled up by 5 meter by 5 meter by 5 meter cubes, means first is length, second is breadth, and third is height. Find the number of cubes. Find the number of cubes. So here we are given length, breadth, and height of the cube, and length, breadth, and height of here which tank? This tank, that is cuboidal tank, and that tank is to be filled up by cubes whose length, breadth, and height is same. So the length of the tank 30 meter, the breadth of the tank 10 meter, and the height of the tank is 15. So all lengths are of different measure, different lengths है ना, so that is, this is cuboid. Cuboidal tank is cuboidal in shape. So the volume of the cuboidal tank is L into B into H. 30 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 15 cubic meter, and after multiplying you will get 4500 cubic meter. The volume of the tank is 4500 cubic meter. Then you will find the volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is here side multiplied by side multiplied by side. See, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 cubic meter. It is how much? 125 cubic meter. Then the length here, length, breadth, and height of tank is and 30, 10, and 15 meter. So you have first found the volume of the tank, then volume of the cube. Now you are given asked find the number of cubes. How many cubes are filled in that tank? The tank is filled with the number of cubes is equal to volume of the tank. Volume of the tank divided by volume of the cube. Then volume of the tank we have calculated, that is 4500 cubic meter. Right, 4500 divided by volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is 125 cubic meter. Divide by 125 and you will get the number of cubes. Those are completely filled in a tank whose volume is 4500 cubic meter. So number of, after dividing you will get ki 30, how many cubes? 36 cubes are filled in the tank. Clear? And you will complete MCQs of chapter number 13. Chapter number 13. And try to calculate by using formulas based on area, volume of different shapes. Clear? And for question number 1, the length and breadth of the room are 12 meter and 8 meter respectively. Find the area of the room. So area of the room will be calculated by, yes, how will you calculate area? By multiplying length by breadth. 12 8 96 square meter. Then the length of one side of the square is 6 meter. The area of the field is, the field is square, so area of the field will be side multiplied by side. 6 6 36 square meter. So B option is correct of question number 2. Then third, if the area of the rectangular courtyard is 72 square meter and its breadth is 8 meter, then length of the courtyard will be, how will you get? Area will be divided by 8 and you will get 9 meter the length. 4 is how many squares of tile 1 meter can be paved in a room of area 50 square meter. So what will you do? Area of the room will be divided by area of the square tile. Means area of the square tile will be 1 by 1 square meter. You will divide 50 square meter by 1 square meter. You will get 50 tiles. Then fifth question, 8 stamps of side 1 centimeter are pasted along the whole length of the postcard. The length of the postcard is, so how many 8 stamps of side 1 centimeter are pasted along the whole length of the postcard? The length of the postcard is how much? It will be, the stamp side is 1 centimeter. So 8 stamps are pasted, 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? 8 times. You will add 1 8 times. It will be 8 centimeter. Then the sixth question, the length, breadth and height of the pencil box is. So pencil box is cuboidal in shape. Cuboidal in shape na. So length, breadth and height is given to you, and the volume of the box will be 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 cubic centimeter. So 6 3 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 36 cubic centimeter. The volume of the cuboidal pencil box will be 36 cubic centimeter. Seventh question, the volume of a cube of side 2 centimeter is. So volume of the cube is side multiplied by side multiplied by side. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 cubic centimeter. Then 8th question, the volume of water in a container of length 5 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter and height 5 centimeter is. So volume of the water will be calculated by multiplying length by breadth by height, L into B into H. So 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5, 5 4 ja 20, 25 ja 100 cubic centimeter. Here 9th question, the volume of the figure given below is, you will calculate all the cubes. How many cubes are there? 1 2 3. And how many layers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 3s are 18 cubic units. So which of the following is not a net of a cube? You will draw these on a graph page and try to fold that and do this by activity. Are you able to get cubes? Here this shape will not be a net of a cube. Others will be shapes of, here nets of cube. Okay. You will complete chapter number 13 very carefully in my observation book. Okay. Try to complete your work on time and revise also. So stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Okay. God bless you. Thank you and have a nice day.